How are you guys? Today's unboxing Moto C Plus for I'm purchased from this Amazon in. This is a refurbished product. You know, refurbished product. Somebody or to give order, then don't like, again give resent. Like phone is refurbished. Again go in company, repair, anything have problem solve, then repacking. That's why price coming will be down. Let's guys, before the start the video, like video this one and subscribe my channel. Please share this video. Okay guys, let's start. This is our phone, Moto C Plus. 2 GB RAM, 16 GB of internal memory, 8 GB of rear camera, and front megapixel is 2 megapixel camera. The battery is 4000 mAh. A 3 color variant: black, grey, and gold. I purchased from this one gold. This refurbished product. That's why I like this unboxing. Okay, guys. This is our phone. Keep it tight. Inside the charger. Oh my god, I received the Moto charger. Good. The ampere is, just look at it, 5 volt. Not this one fast charger, it's normal charger. USB not a USB type C, this is a normal micro USB. This is our invoice. This is some user manual. Okay guys, keep it like this. Let's boot the phone before they start the video.
Hello Moto.
See, hello Moto. Before boot. Guys, this is our phone. This is running is Android version. I think Nougat. This Android version is Nougat. Yes. Let's click the camera. Picture of camera. Okay guys, this is our Moto C. Like this video and subscribe my channel. Please share this video. Anything